Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share a huge nail polish haul with you guys. I have bought so many polishes, I've gotten some as well, and I can't wait to show you what bottles I got. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. The first polishes I'm going to share with you guys are a couple that I got from my mom. She actually got this kit with a couple of her own polishes and she didn't really use it. She just got it in recently as a gift herself and she was like, well, here you go. Take the polishes, I don't use them, and yeah, she knows how to make me happy, so I pretty much just got them from her. She never used them, and yeah, so thanks mom. I really appreciate it. Then I also actually got 6 polishes by Trint. Trint is, if I remember correctly, an originally Dutch brand. It's made in the Netherlands as well. And you guys know me, I'm Dutch too, so I would love to just share a little bit more about these polishes. I actually won these 6 colors at Trint's Instagram page because it was, I think in June or July, there was like Amsterdam Pride going on and stuff like that. They were actually giving away a couple of sets of these polishes and for some reason I was like, let's just give it a try, leave a comment. I've been following them for a really long time because I just love to support Dutch brands as well. And yeah, I actually won, so that was like such a nice surprise. I have had these for a little while already. They got shipped out to me really quickly because of course I live in the Netherlands as well, so I got them in like a couple of days, which was pretty cool. But I haven't really tried these yet, so I think I am going to use a couple of these colors in some of my designs or maybe even some nail polish of the week videos, because I don't really have a ton of Trint in my collection, only just these 6 bottles and I think 2 or 3 more. But yeah, let's continue with the next couple of polishes. So I did buy this Catrice one because I love to have my collection complete. This one is actually called Mauve On, but I feel like it looks a little bit more pink on camera than it is in real life. It is kind of like a berry pink kind of tone. Then I also got a couple of the let me think. The Shine Less and Go polishes by Essence. I think these are new in their collection and these were the only 2 new ones that I was able to find. I'm not quite sure if there are a lot more from this particular collection that are new for their fall winter update, but definitely let me know if there are any other colors that I am missing out on at the moment. Then I also got their polishes from the Clean and Strong and the like Clean and Care or something like that line. They all have quite a different name, but I already got number 6 in my PR package that I got from Essence Cosmetics. Then they also have a really nice top coat and most of these polishes are 80 to 86% natural ingredients, so that is pretty cool. I really love that. So yeah, let me just show you all the colors real quick that I got. I think I bought these for about €2. I'm really not quite sure how much these were, but I got them at my local drugstore. I just ordered them online, but I guess that if you are living in Europe as well, it's not that hard to get your hands on Essence Cosmetics, especially if you live in the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany and so on. I feel like those are very widely spread and easy to get your hands on. I do know that there is a website for all the US people watching at the moment that is selling Essence Cosmetics as well. Definitely send a message at the US Essence Cosmetics at Instagram to ask if they will be selling these polishes as well if you're interested, because I'm not quite sure if these will be available outside of Europe so far. But I do know that Essence is sold in Asia. I've actually seen it in Thailand. I've seen it of course in Europe, and I have seen the brand just kind of sparsely in the US as well. But yeah, that was just a little heads up. If you're interested in them and you don't live in Europe, definitely contact them on Instagram, and I'm sure they are happy to help you out by telling you where you can actually order them online or get them close to where you live. Then I also got sent a new cuticle oil by Pink Jellock, and I actually forgot to mention this one in my hand and nail care product video that I uploaded last Monday, or last week I have to say. But it's a really nice one. It smells very sweet, very like almond oil-ish, and it just works really nice. I actually pretty much love this one, and it is quite inexpensive as well. Then the next couple of oils are actually by Madam Glam. I pretty much mentioned these in that particular hand and nail care video already, so I'm not going to ramble all that much about them, but they are very nice and all have very lovely scents. Then to finish off this video, or not really finish it off because I got a bunch, like a shitload of Essie polishes and I'm obsessed with them. I actually got the spring collection that I'm showing you right here. I got the summer collection, I got the midsummer collection, I got the fall collection, and I also got the winter collection, all of 2020. And I'm just going to show you all of the colors that I got right here. I actually got all of the collections fully complete, like all 6 colors, except for the summer collection. There was one like gold-ish kind of color that was sold out where I got these. I actually got these at boozyshop.nl, which is a Dutch web store that sells a lot of cosmetic products like makeup, nail polishes, like makeup tools and stuff like that. It is actually located pretty close to where I live, so once again, support your local businesses. That is something that I really love to put out there because I just feel like people order a ton online but don't really look at where the businesses are located, and I just know for a fact that this is really close to home, or at least where I ordered these. And I just really wanted to support them a little more because, you know, you just have to support one another. Even if there is a pandemic going on, or maybe when it's all over, just support local businesses. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you all of these colors, and I have asked in a previous, I think it was a nail polish of the week video where I shared an Essie color. I asked you guys if you wanted to see like one big video with a ton of swatches, or if you wanted to see like separate videos of me just talking about one collection in a video. And most of you actually wanted to see separate collection videos, so that is pretty much what I am going to do. I do think that I'm going to start with the winter collection first and then just work my way down. And I don't think I'm able to upload them all this year, so prepare yourself for a couple of Essie collection videos in the future, as well as in the beginning of 2021, because I think it will be an overload to just upload only Essie polishes or Essie collections, because there are so many beautiful collections coming out at the moment. I don't want to give you just one brand massive overload, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Would you like me to start with the winter collection, then the fall, then the midsummer, the summer, spring, and so on? Let me know in the comments down below, because I really love to hear you guys' feedback, because of course you are my viewers, you are the people I actually do this for in my spare time, which isn't a lot. I don't have a lot of spare time because I actually work full-time as well. But yeah, let me know. I really appreciate your feedback on that. So yeah, I have already shared so far the polishes from the spring and the summer collection, and now it is time for the midsummer collection, and this collection is just so gorgeous. Like, to be honest, I'm really getting back into Essie polishes. As I mentioned earlier this year, I actually only had like 6 or 8 Essie polishes that I had collected throughout the years. And now I just got a whole bunch of them. I don't even know how many I purchased, but at the beginning of October I actually turned 30, and that is when I bought like 4 of the collections already. And I just recently purchased the winter collection, all from the same web store as well. So yeah, it is just one big birthday like treat for me to have actually ordered all of these polishes, and I can't wait to use them. And also I am really like looking forward to doing more festive kind of designs. I know it is just like early towards halfway of November, but I feel like there is a big need for a lot of like festivities, just you know, to get the feeling of Christmas and that whole like holiday season. I feel like a lot of people are really hungry for that because this year has been just one big mess, really stressful, like a lot of stuff has happened, and I can't even like put to words how weird this year has been and actually still is. But yeah, I just feel like we can all use a little bit of like festivities and just happiness and cheerfulness, even though we can't celebrate like usual with social distancing and stuff like that. So yeah, let me know if you're up to seeing some Christmassy or wintry festive designs already, maybe including some snowflakes, some red tones, some gold, glitter, sparkle, and so on, because personally I'm really looking forward to it, and I really hope you guys do as well. So do let me know in the comments down below if you're up to that. But yeah, here I'm already sharing with you the fall collection, which is so stunning as well. I'm actually already thinking of putting the blue color that I'm going to show next on my toenails, because I already have the orange on my toenails at the moment. And yeah, I am so obsessed with these polishes. I don't know what has happened to me. Usually I'm like, okay, Essie is not like super budget proof or something. Of course you can get it at the drugstore. They're about 10 euros a bottle, which is quite pricey in my opinion for a drugstore polish, but I tend to get them with like a 50% discount going on or something like that. So yeah, I always try to get some kind of a good deal out of it and not pay full price. So I would definitely recommend to just go through some like local discounts or stuff like that at your own local drugstores to see if you can get them with like 30 or 50% off, because 10 bucks for just one polish, like, I feel like that's quite pricey. But yeah, you know, I have always been the kind of girl that loves a good deal because, you know, I'm Dutch. We like to save some money on our stuff, you know. That's just the way it is. And I know that a lot of you guys maybe don't have that much money to spend on nail polishes, but do have a big passion and love for it. So yeah, definitely check out local like discounts and stuff like that, because I'm sure you'll be able to get your hands on some of these polishes for a better price than 10 bucks a bottle. But yeah, the next collection I'm showing here already is the final collection that I'm going to share in this video. This is the winter collection. These colors are all so shimmery, so shiny. I have already seen some swatches from other nail bloggers and YouTubers that these polishes aren't that sheer. I expected them to be like super sheer, but then again, I haven't seen swatches on longer natural nails like I personally have, so I'm quite curious to see how opaque these are within 2, maybe 3 coats on my own natural nails. So I pretty much can't wait to try these colors out on my own nails. Like, they're so gorgeous, they're so festive, and especially this red color, like, oh wow. It is just 4th of July in a bottle. Even though I'm Dutch, I'm not American. I don't celebrate 4th of July, but I just feel like it's such a gorgeous color. Very Christmassy as well. And yeah, I just love sparkly polishes like that. One thing that was kind of like weird, or kind of like nah, it bugged me a bit because I really wanted to do a full-on inclusive nail haul video. Is like 2 days after I recorded this video, I got my fall collection in by Zoya, which was quite expensive. I purchased it myself as well because I'm not on the PR list or anything like that for most of the products that I'm sharing in this video. I'm just a big nail polish collector enthusiast. So yeah, there is still like the full-on Luscious collection by Zoya, which is their fall collection. I will definitely be doing a full swatch and review video on those as well, because I'm really falling in love with that brand too. But yeah, these were all of my recent purchases or nail mail, stuff I get sent out or gifted, or mostly purchased myself, to be honest. So let me know what collection or polish is your favorite that I shared in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.